Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is a power 3 equals 36, solving for the value of a that satisfies this equation. So we are going to make use of two different methods. Let's start with the first method. In this particular first method, what we are going to do is to ensure we equate x to this a power 3. We can say let x equals a power 3. That means you simply have a power x equals 36. Then 36 is 6 times 6. That is 6 to the power of 2. We have a power x equals 6 power 2. So from here, we can introduce natural log. Natural log of a to the power of x equals natural log of 6 power 2. So if you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log a. Then this is s times natural log a equals 2 times natural log 6 by applying this identity right here and here. Then observe that we have x and a, two different variables. So to ensure that these two variables are the same, we consider this equation here, x equals a power 3. Let's isolate a by multiplying this exponent by 1 over 3. F x power 1 over 3 equals a power 3 to the power of 1 over 3. So we have x power 1 over 3 equals a power this. We have a left. That means a equals x power 1 over 3. We replace this a with x power 1 over 3. So we have x times natural log of x power 1 over 3 equals 2 times natural log of 6. Then this will definitely come behind this based on this particular identity. Natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. So we have x times 1 over 3 times natural log of x equals 2 times natural log of 6. Multiplying this out, this is x over 3 times natural log of x equals 2 times natural log of 6. I can decide to multiply the both term by 3. So we multiply this by 3. And also multiply this by 3. Because we want to eliminate this denominator here. 3 times it, this would be 3x divided by 3 times natural log of x equals 3 times 2. This is 6 times natural log of 6. This eliminate this. I have x times natural log of x equals 6 times natural log of 6. I can equate them. That means my x equals 6. To solve for a, recall this, x power 1 over 3 equals a. X power 1 over 3 equals a. And our x is 6, so we have a equals 6 power 1 over 3. And remember, if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a. So we have a equals a cube root of 6. So this is one method of solving this. There's also another obvious method. Very simple. So this will be our method 2. A power 3 equals 36. Now, There is 3 here at the exponent, so I can decide to raise each part of this equation to the power of 3 of a power 3 to the power of 3 equals 36 to the power of 3. I can take this as my x and this is my y. So I have a power x to the power of y, and this equals a power y to the power of x. So let's switch the powers. That means a power 3 here, which is my x, will come outside and y comes inside. So we have a power 3. That is, using this, my y is 3. Raised 3 power of x is now outside and x is a power 3. And this equals 36 power 3. So from here, I have a power 3 power a power 3 equals 36 a perfect square. That is 6 power 2 to the power of 3. Multiply this out. I have a power 3 power a power 3 equals 6 power 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So this and this are the same. This and this are the same. We can have a power 3 equals 6. We can easily solve for a by eliminating this. We have a power 3 to the power 1 over 3 equals 6 power 1 over 3. So from here, this eliminate this. We have a equals 6 power 1 over 3. And this is the same thing as writing cube root of 6, just like what we had earlier. So our a is cube root of 6, which is the same thing as what we have here, but this time, this one here is simpler. Now we can verify our solution. A is the cube root of 6 plus 6 power 1 over 3. A power 3 equals 36. We have 6 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 6 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3 equals 36. Just eliminate this. So we have 6 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 6 equals 36. 6 times 1, that is 6. So we have 6 power 6 over 3 equals 36. And 6 over 3 is 2. So we have 6 power 2 equals 36. And 6 power 2 is 36. So we have 36 equals 36. Both sides are not the same, guys. So this is how we solve this exponential problem and finding all values of a. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.